Walking for weight loss. How many steps you really need? Walking is a great way to lose weight and improve overall health. But how many steps do you really need to take to see results? The answer: 10,000 steps. While it's a good starting point, the often recommended 10,000 steps per day may not be enough for weight loss. Research suggests that 10,000 steps per day can help with maintenance, but may not lead to significant weight loss. 12,000 to 15,000 steps per day can lead to moderate weight loss. 18,000 steps per day or more can lead to significant weight loss. Why more steps matter? Taking more steps can help you burn more calories, build muscle and boost metabolism, improve cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Tips to increase your steps. 1. Start small. Gradually increase your daily steps by 1,000, 2,000 each week. 2. Make it a habit. Incorporate walking into your daily routine, such as right after breakfast or lunch. 3. Find a buddy. Walking with a friend or family member can make it more enjoyable and help you stay accountable. 4. Mix it up. Vary your route or incorporate hills, stairs, or short bursts of faster walking to keep things interesting. 5. Track your progress. Use a pedometer, fitness tracker, or app to monitor your steps and stay motivated. Remember, every step counts, and even small increases can make a big difference in your overall health and weight loss journey. So, get walking and aim for those extra steps.